Hi guys, welcome back.
What's my story? It's not about being famous on the internet.
We are live in Santa Barbara.
It's about everything I do.
Hey guys.
My everyday routines take you through
My uniqueness.
My obsessions.
My successes and my struggles.
who I am can inspire others.
My friends all around the world.
Smells so good.
When sharing my experiences, I'm always inspired,
With lifelike colors and sharpness.
whether it's day or night.
Always from my own unique angle.
I can show more.
I can get up close,
I can capture my best friend dramatically and larger than life.
telling my story my way just comes naturally.
It's just me and my followers, always with me, every step of the way, over to the other side.
As I grow, I can express myself in new ways, with amazing details and textures.
With real emotions.
And a unique look that makes me more creative.
Whether it's a small crew of followers or millions of friends worldwide, their reactions and support feed my creativity.
There are so many who inspire me, and I just want to do the same for them.
So refreshing.
I'm just starting. Watch me grow. We are on top of the
It's getting really windy, so I attached the windscreen to the camera, and I don't need to worry anymore. About to start drawing on my board. Let's go.